How to remove last name on Facebook. So all you have to do is just to open your Facebook. Now once you're in here, you should click the settings and locate your settings again. Now once you're in here, you should click see more in account center. Now go to profiles. Now once you're in here, click your profile and go to your name. Now once you're in here, you could delete this last name and you should replace it with space just like this and just press OK. And once you're in here, just click review change in the bottom. Now once you do that, after clicking review change, you could only have one name and that is just the first name and it will delete the last name in your account and that's it.